Hi everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today I'd like to show you how to reset your trip information on your dashboard. So to reset your trip meter, you can go over here to your board control button and toggle through the choices, of course. But once you get to the standard odometer and trip meter information, you can press and hold this board control button to reset that individual data back to zero. Now, a lot of folks, including myself, will want to reset those values after every fuel fill. Well, actually, there's a way to automate that, and let me show you how that's done. Moving over to the iDrive system, we go ahead and click on Car, Driving Information, Trip Data. And we'll switch over to Values Since. We can actually change that to, instead of the individual, which is what we've been using to reset it every time, you can actually set it to refueling. And with that, it'll automatically reset that back to zero after you fill your tank. You'll see actually on the instrumentation display here that it's now displaying the data since we last refueled the car. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.